Solar is a nonprofit organization that helps bring renewable energy solutions to underserved populations around the world, and it's a cause very near and dear to Brian Milholland from SunPower by Milholland, who's here to talk about their latest initiative. This is really exciting. Tell me about your involvement with Twende.
So Twende is a nonprofit that goes around the world installing solar off-grid systems for communities that don't have access to electricity. So, being able to help homeowners in San Diego shave their electric bills and help the environment is very special to me. And so by taking that worldwide, it's been a fantastic adventure.
Well, yeah, it's so fantastic to be able to use your skills that you do every day here in San Diego, building solar systems for San Diegans and taking it around the world with the help of Twende. This is such an incredible initiative. Right now, you're working on a tour to Baja.
Yes, so there's a medical facility in Baja that only has electricity a couple hours a day from a diesel generator, so that it limits the amount of help that they can provide to the community. They can't keep vaccines, they can't keep medications or inoculations refrigerated. So we're going to make a trip down to Baja to San Juanico and install an off-grid system with batteries and solar panels so that we can provide all the electricity that the clinic needs 24 hours a day.
Well, that's going to radically change their life in that community, and they're going to have such a better quality of care just knowing that their electricity will be on in this medical facility.
Right.
You will actually be going on that trip and using your skills to install this system.
Yes. Yeah, we're going to launch it from San Diego. Twende is going to ship all of the materials to my office in El Cajon, and we're going to put it in vans and trek on down there. 16-hour drive to install that. So
San Diego homeowners can actually get involved, because if they are getting a solar system through you, part of that is getting donated to this Twende initiative. Tell me about that.
Yes, so for the last 2 months of the year, we're going to take a portion of every cell from Milholland Solar Electric and Roofing and donate that to Twende to help with the Baja initiative.
So in the spirit of giving, if anyone out there needs to go solar, now is the time. Get that contract signed before the end of this year, because in 2020, you can get your solar system installed, feel good about part of your sale going towards this project and helping those in need. But there's also that tax credit you're going to combat as well, because that's an important timing the end of this year.
Right, so the tax credit is dropping 4%, but we have a rebate to help make up for that. So there's still time for you to sign a contract and go solar, and take full advantage of the 30% federal tax credit.
And learn everything else you need to know about Twende Solar and how you can get involved by going solar with SunPower by Milholland on ApprovedHomePros.com/Milholland, or check out our post under Show Extras. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, be sure to subscribe.
You'll have full access to see all our videos. From quick tips to full episodes, it's all at your disposal.
That's right. You'll get great information for all your home improvement projects, but even better, you'll have contact information on hand when you need some help.
All the trusted pros in the network are great resources to have. So hit the subscribe button below and check out more videos.